Makar Sankranti. Gattu and Chinky were playing in the society park. They are busy playing and don't realize that it's getting dark. Just then, Mummy comes to get them.
Gattu Chinky, let's go home now. Papa will also be coming soon. Then we will all have dinner together.
Let's go, Mummy.
Gattu Chinky start going home. But then suddenly they see a big truck coming to the society. And secretary uncle comes and start taking out some stuff from it. Gattu Chinky go near the truck with Mummy and say to secretary uncle,
Uncle, what is all this?
"Hey kids, you forgot. Tomorrow is Makar Sankranti and I have ordered all this just for the preparation."
Oh yes, tomorrow is Makar Sankranti. That means the day of flying kites. Yay! But uncle, this is such a big truck. What all is there?
Chinky, tomorrow morning first the society terrace will be decorated. That is why there is decoration material in it. And along with that there are kites and manjas for all the society members. Gattu and Chinky get very excited on hearing this. Then Papa also comes from office. And after seeing everyone in the society, he says, "Hey, is there a society meeting today without me?"
No, Papa. We were just saying all the material of Makar Sankranti.
Yes, tomorrow it will be a lot of fun to fly and cut kites. You are right. By the way, kids, do you know? In my college days, people used to call me Kites Master. I am a master in cutting people's kites and taking my kite above everyone else. That's why all of you fly your kites carefully. Mr. Secretary, maybe you are not aware, but nobody in this whole of Mumbai can cut a kite better than me. And I have a feeling that your kite will be the first to get cut. This statement from Papa doesn't sit well with Secretary Uncle. And that's why both of them start arguing about who will cut whose kite first. Just then Gattu gets an idea.
Papa, uncle, both of you don't fight. I have a great idea. Both of you make two teams. And then whichever team's kites are cut first and the team whose members' kites fly in the sky till the end, that team will win. Do you like my plan? Wow, Gattu, this is an amazing plan. I am going to be in Papa's team. Yes, and I will be in Secretary Uncle's team.
Kids, you gave a very good idea. Now I am also excited for the kite competition tomorrow. Saying this, Uncle again gets busy with society work. And Gattu Chinky come home with Mummy Papa. The next day, it was Makar Sankranti. And Gattu Chinky started decorating the terrace from early morning. In a short while, all the people of the society came to terrace. Gattu, are you ready? Remember, we have to cut everyone's kite and also win.
Yes, uncle. And I have also made a good strategy to win.
What? Strategy? Wow, Gattu, you are very smart. By the way, what is this strategy?
Uncle, the strategy is that you go ahead and fly the kite first and then surround Papa's kite and cut it. This way, Papa will be out of the game first. After this, only Chinky will be left and I can easily handle Chinky's kite alone. In this way, we both will win.
Oh, wow, Gattu. This is a great idea. It's done then. Let's start this and we will defeat everyone. Papa and Chinky had also done the complete planning. Chinky was going to cut Gattu's kite and then Papa Uncle's. Soon a fierce competition begins between the two teams. Everyone's kites start flying in the air. Due to Makar Sankranti festival, the sky was filled with many colorful kites.
Wow, this is so amazing. Gattu, you be careful of my pink kite. It is very fast, just like me. Chinky, you also be careful of my yellow kite, which is as fast as a tiger.
Let's see today. Who was the real kite champion in their college days? Yes, definitely. Let's see. First of all, Uncle takes his kite up and cuts Papa's kite by rotating it around it. But from behind, Chinky cuts Uncle's kite. In this way, kites of one member each from both the teams are cut.
Chinky, now only we two are left. Be a little careful. It is your kite that needs to be careful, Gattu.
Gattu Chinky start rotating their kites around each other's kite. And by doing so, both their kites are cut together. Seeing this, all the people in the society start laughing.
Oh no, how did this happen? My kite also got cut along with Chinky's. Kattu, this is all your fault. Huh. But now which of our two teams won?
Kids, it seems that today both the teams are tied. Secretary Uncle is right. None of our kites are flying in the sky till the end. This means only one thing, that we all lost together. But just then, all of them notice a blue kite, which was still flying in the sky.
Hey, but whose kite is this, which is still flying in the sky?
Then all of them look back and are surprised. Actually, Mummy was flying that kite. Until now, no one had been able to cut her kite.
Kids, this kite is mine. And it seems that I am the winner today. See how my kite is still flying highest in the air.
You are right, Mummy. You are our winner today. But how did this happen? How did Mummy's kite escape our sight?
Because Gattu Chinky, your mummy was not flying the kite to cut someone else's kite, but she was flying it to enjoy. Hearing Uncle's words, everyone starts laughing. And Gattu Chinky also agree that we should play any game not to defeat the opponent, but to enjoy and to win ourselves. Then Mummy tells everyone,
Okay, kids, let's go and eat til laddus. I have made them especially for all of you on an auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti.
Yay! Till laddus!
I have to admit, the most special thing on Makar Sankranti is the sesame laddus. Not just sesame laddus. Today I have arranged a lunch of special Makar Sankranti khichdi for all the members of the society. Come on, everyone, let's enjoy delicious curd, khichdi and papad.
I really love eating papad with khichdi. Yes, me too.
Then everyone eats curd, khichdi, papad and sesame laddu made by Mummy. And then flies a lot of kites. Everyone has a lot of fun in Makar Sankranti. You've got a parcel from Puntoon Kids.
Oh, it's here. Kids, why don't you go and open it? It is for you.
Wow, Mummy, there are so many products in it. What is fishing fun, Mummy?
I will give you one letter and you have to pick that letter with the help of the fishing rod.
Wow! So we will learn letters while fishing.
And see this, it is called fishing fingers. It will help you improve your eye-hand coordination. Hold this lace and try to put beads in it one by one.
Mummy, it is a very cool gift. It has so many products. We are having a lot of fun with it. What box is this?
It is Puntoon Kids Learning Box, which we are presenting for the kids of nursery, junior KG and senior KG. If you also want to order this box, then click on the link provided in the description, or you can send a WhatsApp message or call on the number given below.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.